Hey all, today we're in France visiting Robin. He has been living few years in a tiny house and this is his second build. Robin will gonna show us around. Oh, this is the living room.
Yeah, you've got the couch just here. Small kitchen, you've got the fridge working on the solar panel. The oven, same thing, but you need some sun. I've got something like this.
And this is pre-made kitchen, or you made it by yourself?
No, I bought it. It's an IKEA kitchen, if you want to know.
Yeah.
So I've just got 4 modules, 4 parts.
I like how spacious it looks. It looks actually bigger than 6 meters 60 somehow.
You still have 2.20 on the side, like this.
And the ceiling, how high it is?
This part?
Yeah.
197 high, if I remember. 197. I've done this part here for cover the light, you know, or the cable.
And the bar table.
Yeah, so I've done it myself, this one. Got everything like this.
And how often do you have to use electric heater? You know, like until what temperature you're comfortable without heating in the house?
It depends. I have to turn it on from November until, depends, March, February.
What did you use for insulation and how much?
It's the isolation in the wall, it's cotton. So I've got 10 centimeters of recycled cotton. I've got 20 on the floor and 15 on the top.
Okay. And then 10 millimeter
10 millimeters, 10 centimeters.
And 10 millimeter
of wood, yeah. I've done a big bathroom here. It's wide for 1.40 meters.
And the light is?
The light is this one. You've got this, you've got the mirror. Put some lights, you can adjust everything, the intensity of the color, everything.
It's nice touch, the mirror.
Yeah, changing everything. And I'm using just this one. In the night, these lights are a bit too strong for me.
And what material did you use for bathroom walls?
It's a kind of PVC, plastic wall. Very easy to put in with the other one.
And it's waterproof.
It's waterproof, yeah.
And you even got a washing machine inside.
Yeah, it was missing on the first one, so I had a little space here to use it. So yeah, very useful. And working with the solar panel too, so free.
And the compound stink toilet you built by yourself?
So I just bought this thing, you know, to separate the pee and the rest, and just fix it on the water, the things I built in wood. So very easy. You just have to take the bucket off, extra storage, yeah, in the stairs. So, not much, but you can still put something.
Yeah, for laundry
stuff, yeah,
and some miscellaneous stuff.
Yeah.
That is the bathroom from that side, and there is washing machine.
Washing machine just over there. So don't take a nap here when you're doing the machine because you won't sleep.
Yeah, and this is cinema screen.
Yeah, you just have to open it like this. I put my retro just over there. And
home cinema.
Yeah, home cinema. Oh, you have to start with the left feet if you want to be really perfect. Up, left one. And then you've got 1.70 m here.
Yeah, short people could stand.
Yeah, a lot of them, but not me. And then you've got the main room here.
I got even curtains here for privacy.
Yeah.
And what size is this bed?
This bed is 2 meters by 2 meters. It's a bit big, but yeah. It's very comfortable. You've got my stuff over there. Shelves, you've got some space in everything here.
And it's nice because you made this extra 20 centimeter roof.
Yeah, so
you can actually comfortably sit.
You've got 90 centimeters here and 1.1 meter here. So you can see it. Some shelves for the flowers too. Some green touch. Always good.
And this loft is guest bedroom?
Yeah. So it's 1.4 meters wide. So you can put a normal bed normally. You've got some shelves over there.
Oh, you do? Oh,
yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I like the touch.
Good side.
Yes, this is how it looks actually. You don't feel it from this side.
Yeah.
And you have space from this side. You didn't order anything like, except the garage door, like custom?
Yeah.
Everything you just went to shop, you bought what is available.
Everything, yeah.
And built around it.
Yeah.
Why and how did you decide to build a tiny house?
Oh, because of COVID, I had no job for 2 years, so I had nothing to do and wanted to do something to live for me.
Yeah.
And this is why I tried to do some tiny house.
What did you do before?
I was doing the ski season in the Alps and working in the southwest for the summer.
And how do you like so far tiny house living, you think?
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been 3 years now and I can do a few more years easily in this one.
And how did you decide with the design? You draw it by yourself?
I drew it by myself. I've catch a lot of ideas in tinies in US too. Like this thing, you don't really see that in France. But it's super comfortable to use it every day. You don't have to use a ladder to go up, not taking a lot of space. You can sit on your couch. It's not even touching clothes.
Is there anything specific you like the most about your build?
In this one?
Yeah. Everything.
Everything, yeah. I like the color, how it feels inside. Yeah.
And how much did it cost you to build it?
This one cost me 37,000 euros.
In materials?
In materials, yeah.
And how much
took
work?
me 6 months to do, 7 months.
Of labor?
Around 1,000 hours, I think.
Cool. All right, thanks for showing around.
You're welcome.
All right, thanks for watching. Social media of Robin I will leave in description below. Let us know in the comments below what do you think about this build. Would you build the same, want something differently? And see you in the next one. Cheers!